ain't wrong with these kids, bruv. Put your jacket on. It is hissing down with rain. Right?
Yeah.
So, I'm on daddy daycare duty, right? Because I've had a few days off the radio because it was the wife's birthday, so I decided to take a couple of days off. We were going to go on holiday and we didn't end up going away. So I still took the time off. So I've done the school run for the last few days. Now, every morning we seem to be
early.
Super duper early.
We've got about 23 minutes. 23 minutes. We've got 2 minutes till we have to walk home.
Your calculations are wrong.
What?
Hold up, what time do your gates open?
Then we've got 27 minutes.
No.
Until the doors open.
No.
23.
No, where's your maths gone?
I don't know.
24. What time? No, what time do the doors open?
8:25.
And what's the time now?
8:09.
Okay. Do the maths. Say it's 10 past 8.
Let me do it. 24.
What?
20. Wait. 60 minutes. 60.
Thank you, Frank.
Wait, let me count. 25 take away 9. So pretend it's 10 past.
Pretend it's 10 past. How many minutes would you have from 10 past?
15.
So,
add 1.
Yeah.
16.
So where did 27 come from?
Don't know. I was adding different numbers.
You were doing something completely different. Every morning this week we have been early.
Yeah, since yesterday.
This is what I don't get with your mum, right?
Yeah.
Your mum makes it sound like it's an hard job.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you need 2 adults to help.
Your mum makes it sound like it's a real big hard job. And when I do the radio in the morning, she's like, oh, you got an easy job. All you got to do is stand there and talk a load of crap. I've got to do the school run. I've got to do this. I've got to do that. Bruv.
I don't.
What did I do this morning?
What did I do this morning? Mum helped you. Nothing.
What did your mum help? Bruv, I fed the baby.
Nah, okay.
Did I not feed the baby?
Tick.
Did I not do your breakfast?
No, you didn't.
Lunches?
You didn't find his clothes. You didn't do the bottles, did you?
I didn't do the bottles.
No, water bottles up.
No, I didn't do your water bottles.
Yeah.
Did your lunches? Forgot to do your bottles. Did the baby's bottles?
Mum did
Fed the
Frank's
baby. Okay, Mum did Frank's earring. Yeah, okay, I get that. That was all right and whatever else. Who drove you here?
Me.
Who got you on time, if not early?
Me, because I kept begging you to say, can we go early? Can we go early?
No, I'm only joking. It is quite a hard job actually being a stay-at-home mum. I'm not going to lie.
Only because he's 40.
I'm not going to lie though. I quite like going to work. I quite like going to work in the morning and doing radio.
And you just itch your ears.
Because I haven't got to listen to this.
Well, I feel like you like it.
Mm.
What you lying for? Just trying to. No.
Do you know, honestly, do you know the best time that I like all of my children? This is the truth.
At night.
When you're asleep. When you're
How
asleep.
How you liking other children then?
When you're asleep, I absolutely love you. When you're up like this and you're full of energy because you had a sleep, it becomes a bit of a problem.
Come on, it's 7 past, let's go!
It is pouring down with rain and they want me to go and stand in the rain and get a frizz on. Come on, the door don't open for another 14 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. Frank, lock the doors, lock the doors, lock the doors. Lock the doors, leave her there. What are you saying, sister? What are you saying, sister? You good? Yeah, yeah. And what? And what? Yeah. You're getting wet. Ah, ah. You're getting wet. Ah, look, wind the liquor. Right, come on then, let's go school.
I hit myself.
You just smashed the string on your head.
No, I didn't hit it. We used to always go on that.
This is what happens when you come to school and you're the first in the playground. Oh my God.